Today we are tackling one of the most sneakiest problems in your car, and it's gonna be trash. If you haven't seen my other videos where I literally live in my Tesla Model 3, go check those out on the channel. That was a huge issue there. I didn't have it then, but I have it now. It's this leather trash bag with a magnetic enclosure. Check this out. You just pull it apart like this, and if you tap it, it has an LED light. It's much more effective in the dark. I think this is really gonna change the game on how we keep our Teslas clean and classy. Look at this beauty. It's leather, it's waterproof, and it screams, I'm here to organize your life in style. And check this out, the magnetic closure for smooth operation and the LED light, because even trash, it deserves luxury lighting, at least when you're putting it in so you can see where you're throwing it. It even includes a starter bag for your trash. It's like Tesla level service, but for your garbage. They got you covered.
In each of the four corners, there's these little clips that'll come out. You just gotta pull it out. It's on like a plastic hinge, and then you're gonna put the bag underneath it, then push it back in. You'll hear it click, and that's gonna hold the bag in place.
I just want to quickly talk about how minimalistic this is. So if we're looking down here, sure, you can see it, but I mean, it's just a little bag that's just hanging off right here. This thing is super low profile, does not interrupt my leg space whatsoever. This thing is legit. I really like it. Look at it, low profile. I have like a receipt, a candy wrapper, gum, and then the little mint container. If I'm gonna throw these somewhere, it shouldn't be on the floor, not in your Tesla. Now you have this, you can just put it right in here and close it right up. And I think the best place to keep this is just gonna be on the inside right there. Boom. So if you ever need it, you can just take this old one off and you have the rest already there. Super simple, y'all. It's like self-contained. Picture this, you have kids or yourself and you just finish a snack. What are you gonna do? Leave the candy wrapper just sitting in your center console, sitting in the back seats? No, you can just throw it in here. Same thing for like an In-N-Out burger wrapper, any wet wipes, or even biohazards like a baby diaper. I can think of a whole lot of things that you can fit in here, and it's pretty deep. My whole hand and then a part of my forearm can fit inside of there, and it's pretty wide as well. The best thing is that when you go around corners, the trash isn't going to be flying everywhere around your car. It's going to stay in this one bag. And this being minimalistic, this being super sleek, it basically blends in the back of the seat. If you do forget where this is, remember you have your LED light. You can turn it on and see in the back here. Again, it's not super bright because it's during the day, but if we roll the window up, close the door, you can see it does a pretty good job illuminating down here. Remember, when you're done, just take the liner out and replace it with a new one. Keep your Tesla fresh and clean. Now, you have two seats in your Tesla. You have one in this side and you have one on this side, so you can get two of these. And do you need two garbage bags? Maybe not, but one can be for garbage and one could be for storage, for like a tablet, charging cables, any other accessories you have. Who says these bags can't multitask? So there you have it, guys. This is the Tesla magnetic leather trash bag with LED light. I think it's pretty stylish, minimalistic, practical, and absolutely worthy of being in your Tesla. I'm gonna use this, maybe pick up a second one to keep my Tesla trash free as well as clutter free, and keep the cabin looking a lot nicer. Because if you watch the previous videos, there was trash in the footwell. That was my previous trash can. Let's just say that was a big no. Don't forget to like, and if you want to see more videos, subscribe, and do me a favor in the comments below, tell me what the weirdest thing you had to clean out of your car was. All right, I'll see you in the next video.